Morning student, welcome back to the online classes for Triveni Memorial School. So we are going to start the 11th chapter, that is people at work, for class 4. So as you are aware students, different people they will do different jobs in order to earn money. So the work they do and from that they earn money, that work done by them is called as their profession or their occupation. So let's start. So people do different kind of work to earn money. Okay, why they are doing different kind of work? In order to earn money. Next is the work they do is called their occupation or their profession. Next is let us meet a few people at work to take a look at their jobs they do as well as the tools they use. So by meeting these different peoples, we are going to understand the different kind of work they are doing, what work they are doing in their job as well as the different tools that they are using. Nextly, by reading about them, we will also know how and where they learn their skills. So by knowing about their job, we will also understand that how and from where they have learned their skills. Next, we are going to meet the different people. So these are the common profession which is chosen by the people in order to earn money. So the first one is of architecture. Next is carpenter, painter, gardener, teacher, mechanic, electrician, driver and doctor. So these are different professions. Let's begin with the first one, that is an architect. So here Praveen Verma is an architect. Okay, he is an architect as you can see here in the diagram. He draws plans for the building. So what work he is doing? He is drawing plans for the building. And what does the plan include? So plan is a drawing of all the rooms in the building. So as you are aware, your house or any building is having different kind of room. It includes the bedroom, the kitchen, the bathroom, etc. So these different types of rooms which are found in a building has to be drawn proper manner first of all before construction. So that drawing is called as a plan. So that drawing shows where each room will be built in the building. So which room has to be built at which place in the building or in a house, that is being depicted on that drawing. He designed our house as well. So he has designed houses as well as he is designing different rooms in a building. So in order to become an architect, where he has studied. So he went to a college of architecture in order to learn to draw up plans for all sort of buildings. So in order to learn how to draw plans for all sort of building and to become an architect, he went to a college of architecture. Next is he used various tools to do his job. So in order to make a plan for the building, he used different kinds of tools. As you can see here, these are the different tools which is used by an architect. So let's move on to the next part, that is carpenter. So Mangal Singh is a carpenter here, you can see here in the diagram. And what is the job of carpenter? The carpenter is going to make the doors and the windows. He also make what? He also make cupboards. Next, what material he is using? He is using wood to flat and smooth. He is using a plan. So here we are going to discuss the different type of tools which are used. So first of all, he will make the wood flat and smooth with the help of a plane. Next, he will use a drill to make holes in the wood. So as you can see here, this is a drill. So with the help of the drill, he is going to make holes in the wood. Next, he will use a screwdriver to put the screws in the wood. So he is using this screwdriver. You might have seen in your houses also. This is a screwdriver. With the help of that, he is going to put the screws in the wood. Next, he is using a hammer to fix the nail in the wood. So with the help of this hammer, he is going to fix the nails in the wood. And from where he has learned this skill of carpentry, he has learned the art of carpentry from his uncle. As you are aware, uncle is who? Uncle is his father's brother. Okay, so he is Mangal Singh and he is a carpenter, and these are the different tools which are used by a carpenter, which include a plane, screwdriver, a saw, a drill and a hammer. So let's move on to the next profession, that is painter. So Rampal Shetty is a painter. As you can see here in the diagram, he paints houses beautifully. So what is the work of a painter? He paints the house beautifully. He used different brushes and colors to do his work. So what are the tools which is used by by a painter. They uses different brushes and colors to do painting work. He learned the art of painting from a building contractor. So this painter, that is Rambal Shetty, he learned the art of painting by whom? From a building contractor. So let's move on to the next part, that is gardener. So as you are very much aware about gardeners, so here Mahesh Kumar is a gardener. He looks after our school garden. So he is Mahesh Kumar and he looks, what is his job? He is going to look after the garden in the school. So he plants various flowering plants to make our school garden look beautiful. So gardener work is to plant different kind of flowers in the garden. So and by planting those beautiful flowering plants, it will make the school garden look beautiful. He uses a spade to dig the mud. So the spade is the tool which is used by the gardener to dig the mud. He uses a trowel. This is another tool which is used by the gardener. A trowel is used for doing what? To remove the unwanted plants. So there are certain plants which are grown by us, that is our designed plant. But there are certain other plants which grow by themselves, which are not planted by us. So those plants are called as weeds, that you will learn in higher classes. But for now, those plants will be called as unwanted plants. Next is, he uses a cutter. So this is another tool which is used by him. Cutter is being used to trim the plants. And from where this gardener has learned his skill? He has learned the art of gardening from his father. Okay, so here you can see the different tools used by a gardener: a trowel, a spade, a cutter and a scissor. Let's move on to the next profession, teacher. So you are all familiar with the teacher. Here we are going to discuss Mrs. Jayashree Solanki is our class teacher. You can remember your own class teacher. So she teaches us which subject? Environmental study. Environmental study is EVS, with a lot of love and patience. She is an excellent teacher. She uses various charts, globes and models to explain the lesson to us. So which tools are used by the teacher? Various charts, globes and models are being used in order to make the lesson explain in a easy way. She learned to teach in a teaching school. So in order to become a teacher or to learn teaching, how to teach, she went to a teaching college. Next is, her mother is also a teacher. So Jayashree Solanki's mother is also a teacher. She is also in the same profession. So as you can see here in the diagram, this teacher is teaching the students. Next profession is of mechanic. So here Ravi Minocha is a mechanic. So what is the work of a mechanic? He is going to repair the scooters, motorcycles, as well as he also mends the punctures. So the tools which is used by a mechanic are a spanner, wrench, screwdriver, hammer, a pair of filer. So as you can see here in the diagram, these are the various tools which are used by a mechanic. This is a wrench, hammer, filer, spanner and a screwdriver. So in order to become a mechanic, from where he has learned this, after finishing his school, that is after completing his 12th class, he learned to do his job at a motor repairing shop. From a motor repairing shop, he has learned the skill of becoming a mechanic. Next is electrician. So here Hari Prasad is an electrician. So what is the work of electrician? Electrician, he fits the wire, switches, bulbs and fans. So this is the work which is done by the electrician. He repairs the electric appliances. So if sometime any electric appliances they get damaged, so in order to repair those electric appliances, you call as electrician. So what are the various tools used by an electrician? He uses drill, screwdriver, a pair of pliers. Okay, and from where he has learned his art of electrician, he learned to do his work at an industrial training institute. So it is also known as ITI. So ITI is, what is the full form of ITI? Industrial Training Institute. So you can see here in the diagram an electrician. Next is driver. So Jeevan Das is a school bus driver. So driver is the one who drives the different vehicles. So here we are discussing about Jeevan Das, who drives the school bus. So he drives a bus slowly and safely. He has a driving license. So student, it is mandatory that in order to drive any kind of vehicle, you require a driving license. So he learned to drive the bus from his elder brother. So from where he has learned? He has learned from his elder brother, who is also an expert driver. He got his driving license after passing a driving test. So the driving license is obtained only when a person qualifies this driving test. Okay, so as you can see here in the diagram, this is the bus driver. Let's move on to the next profession, that is doctor. You are very much familiar with that. So here, Dr. Ritesh Mehta is a family doctor. So what is the work of a doctor? He treats people who are ill and injured. If you fall sick or you get injured, so you visit a doctor. Similarly, I visited his clinic when I was sick. So when you become sick, you visit a doctor. He uses a stethoscope. Stethoscope is a tool which is used by a doctor, and he keeps the stethoscope on my chest. As you can see here in the diagram, this is a stethoscope, and he keeps that on the chest of the patient to listen to my heartbeat. So stethoscope is a device, is a tool which is going to be used by the doctor in order to listen to the heartbeat of the patient. He gives me medicine to cure my sickness. So doctors also gives us medicine so that we can get treated. Okay, I get well after taking the medicine. So if you take medicine, you will get well soon. He went to a medical college to learn how to do his job. So becoming a doctor, from where he has studied, he went to a medical college. So let's move on to the next part. That is, apart from those main professions, there are other professions. So let us understand about them. So the first one is a newspaper vendor. So newspaper vendor, what is the work of that? He distributes the newspaper early morning to all the houses. Next is a cobbler. So cobbler, as you can see here in the diagram, he mends the shoes. Next one is a potter. So potter is the one who is going to make beautiful pots from mud on his wheel. The next one is a tailor. A tailor is the person who stitches the clothes. The next is a milkman. So as you can see here in the diagram, he is carrying the container filled with milk. So he distributes the milk. Next is a washerman. So a washerman, he is going to wash the different clothes. Next is a beautician, and the last one is a pilot who drives an aeroplane, and the one next to him is an air hostess. Okay, so these are other various professions. So next is gender and work. The next topic here we have to understand is about gender and work. So in past, women were not encouraged to go to school and to college. So in the past, in the earlier times, the women were not allowed to, the girl child was not allowed, or the women were not encouraged to go to school and to college to get education, but they were not even allowed to take up a job. So they were not allowed to take up any kind of job. They used to stay at home and do household work. Only men's work to earn money. So earlier what happened? Only men used to go out and to do different work so that they can earn money. But now with the passage of time, the scenario changes here. Now today, more and more women are getting educated. So now these more and more women are getting what? Educated, and every girl has a right to education. So this is the right which is made by the government, that every girl child has a right to education. That is, they have the right to go to school and get education in different fields. So we find many women in jobs, they were once taken up only by the men. So now you can find out the women doing different type of jobs which were earlier done only by the men. So many women have excelled in their profession. So now they have performed outstandingly in the different kind of profession. Next is different pictures are being depicted here. We have to name them. So here first one, the first woman Prime Minister of India. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Next one is the first woman President of India. Her name was Pratibha Patil. Next is first woman IPS officer of India, Kiran Bedi. Next is first Indian woman who went to space. Her name is Kalpana Chawla. The next is first Indian woman to climb to Mount Everest. Her name is Bachendri Paul. The next is first Indian woman to break into the top 50 in the world ranking of tennis. Her name is Sania Mirza. So by this you can understand that now the woman has excelled in different field and different professions. So let's move on to the exercise part, student. Firstly, multiple choice question. You have to take the correct option from here. A person who makes plans for a building is called and dash. So what is a person called who makes the plan for different for the building? Air hostess, engineer or an architect. So architect is a person who is going to make the plans for the building. Next is to check our heartbeat, the doctor use a dash. So which device or which tool is being used by the doctor in order to check the heartbeat? Thermometer, stethoscope or a computer. So thermometer is going to, you are aware that thermometer is used for measuring the temperature. So right answer is stethoscope. So stethoscope is the device which is tool used by the doctor in order to check our heartbeat. Next is fill in the blanks. So here first one is a painter uses different kind of dash to paint. So what does a painter use? So painter use different kind of brushes as well as color to paint. Next is a driver has to pass a driving test to get a dash. So it is mandatory that the driver, in order to get the driving license, they have to pass the driving test. So after passing the driving test, they will get their license to drive the vehicle. Next is take a look at the following picture and write the names of the occupations in the space provided. So different pictures are depicted here. You have to name them. So the first one, as you can see, is a cobbler. The next one is a newspaper vendor. The third one is a potter. And the last one is a tailor. So let's move to the section B of the exercise here. First multiple choice question here is the charts and the models are used by. So these two are the tools which are used by which professional? Carpenter, gardener or a teacher. So these are used by a teacher. Next is a gardener uses a spade to dig the. So the gardener is using a spade in order to dig what? Plants, mud or flowers. So in order to dig the mud, the gardener is using a spade. The next is very short answer question here. So first one is what is the drawing of all the rooms in a building called? So the drawing of all the rooms in a building is called a plan. Next is what is the full form of ITI? So ITI stand for Industrial Training Institute. Next is short answer question. Here you have to write the work done by a doctor and a tailor. So as you are aware, doctor is going to treat us when we are sick or injured. He is going to provide us medicine to cure our sickness. The next one is a tailor. So tailor is the one who stitches the cloth. The next is write the work done by a cobbler and a potter. So cobbler is the one who is going to mend our shoes and a potter is the one who makes beautiful pot out of mud on his wheel. The last type of question here is long answer question. Here first is name the tools which are used by a carpenter, painter and a gardener. So carpenter, he uses different types of tools like a saw, a drill, a plan, then saw, hammer, drill. All these instruments are used by a carpenter. Next is painter. So painter uses the different kind of brushes and different colors as well as color plates. Next is the gardener. So gardener, he uses spade, trowel, scissor and a cutter. Last question here is why are women so successful today in different occupations? So earlier what happened, students, the women were not allowed to go to school or colleges to take education, but nowadays every girl has a right to education. They can choose the type of profession they want, different jobs they can do of their choices, as well as they are allowed to do business. So by this, student, we are completing our chapter. So hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.